Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start inside Hypic with the image ready. Tap the plus icon and import from camera or gallery. Choose the highest resolution version to keep edges sharp. Once imported, enable Auto Mask to let the app detect the subject automatically, then use the quick brush to refine obvious missed spots. Make sure to zoom to 100% for hair and fine detail. This reduces cleanup later. Now proceed to the masking tools to isolate the subject precisely before changing the background. Now refine the selection so the subject blends correctly with any new background. Use the edge brush to capture hair, fur, or thin objects. Toggle Add and Erase to correct overreach. Once the outline is accurate, apply Feather to soften the edge and Smooth to remove jagged pixels. This prevents halo effects. If background removal left gaps, use Clone or Heal briefly. Once your mask looks natural at full size, choose Background and preview several options to check lighting and contrast. With the mask set, pick the background type that fits your goal: solid color for product shots, image for composites, or a subtle blur for portraits. Once applied, use exposure, temperature, and saturation to match the subject to the new backdrop so it reads as a single scene. When satisfied, export using PNG for transparency or JPG for smaller files, selecting quality to balance size and clarity. Troubleshooting tip: if edges look unnatural, return to mask and slightly increase feather, then reapply color matching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.